This is airsoft can shooting, part 1. I need to get more better. Okay, here's where it starts. Miss. Alright, I'm just shooting from up here. Miss. Oh, I don't think it's... Yeah, not loaded. Oh, wait. Yeah.
No, it is. I heard it. Oh, that one didn't shoot. That one did.
That doesn't evil.
Yeah.
Got it.
That one didn't shoot.
Yes, it did.
I mean, that last one. Not
That
the
last one shot.
Not the one that hit the can.
The last one shot. I saw the bullet. Let's swap weapons.
Start shaking it.
Don't need to shake it. Nice. Oh, quit. Don't shoot it in the pool.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. It landed in the pool. Quit shooting it.
Look, I'm going like that. And it's going right there.
It's out of ammo.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I heard a bullet.
That was my gun. Oh, damn it.
Okay, now it's up. Are you even playing it?
It doesn't matter. Got it.
Ah.
Uber pony.